welcome back to Lost Creek. It's fall cleanup time on the farm here, so we've got to get a few things ready. This is our pasture that we had the pigs on a few weeks ago, so we got all this. We wanted to plant rye in it quick to see if we could get it to germinate. I don't think that's going to happen. We've got some snow and some very, very cold temperatures coming, so I don't think that's going to happen. So it was worth a shot, but I think we're going to have to replant that in the spring. In the meantime, I'll probably use that leftover seed that we have in a bag for some fodder trays for the chickens over the winter, maybe even the pigs. They probably would like that too. But we've got the pig's house, some additions onto their house that for the winter. So we'll go over there. So we've made some more progress on the pig house here. It used to be just this section here, and then now we've added on. We had this junk window. I can't remember where we found that, but we reused that window. Hey guy, what's up, buddy? And then we have this door here that we put on. It's not quite ready to operate, but they can withstand a lot colder temperatures in the winter than, say, what you think of as like a normal feeder pig. So I think we're gonna leave this open for that reason, and then also it'll be easier for us to get more hay in there for them. And then this is just their little entrance to it. And this is more of the out, kind of, we're calling it their run. But what it's gonna do is we're gonna be putting the new feeders here. This is going to be cut into a door that's facing east, and then so the door is going to go there, and then we were going to put tin on this south side, but I think what we're going to do instead is buy that corrugated like clear plastic, so the sun will still go in on them. And then we've got plenty of ventilation like up through here, same way that we built our chicken coop and our chicken run to keep plenty of ventilation. As you can see, these guys are getting their winter coats, so they don't need very much protection, do you? Do you, sister? Yeah. Hi, Penny. Hi. So here's our week update. The pigs have been quite busy. They've got all of this started, a lot of this knocked down. I can see over here, they've started to get into the interior here and get a lot of this dug up. Cracks me up when they kick these pumpkins around. It's amazing the sheer strength of their noses. But looking so far so good. I'll check in and again in a month. still have a little ways to go to get everything ready for fall. We still have some more adjustments to make to the chicken run. Build another wall in there, get everything tied up for the ducks. We took out their house we had for them, and we're gonna make kind of a different situation for them inside the run. But we also spent some time here updating getting the garden ready for. We got all of the beds cleaned out, got a new load of branches on top here, and then I'll also be it's been raining, so everything's wet, so I have not wanted to gather up leaves, but we'll be gathering up leaves and throwing all of that in there. I still have to get these tomato plants back here. I had to get those all torn out, but for the most part I got everything pretty much out of here. This year I'm not gonna till. I'm just gonna leave everything down here and then see what it looks like in the spring. I'm gonna try to stop tilling my garden. Hi, Allie. So one last thing, we're gonna check in the greenhouse here just to see. All right, so looks like my bok choy is doing good. I got these little cucumbers and some lettuce. I think I'll probably move those into the house. It's supposed to get really cold tonight. I think I'm gonna move these into the house. I don't know, I might grow plants over the winter. We'll see. I've never done it before. And then I got my sunflowers in here just drying out. Looks like the birds got a hold of them before I brought them in, but that's all right. These will probably end up going to the chickens and the pigs anyways. But pretty cool. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time.